Welcome students on online classes. Today discussed syllabus of BSc first year in mathematics subject. Here I take an article, projection of line on a plane. We are discussed about this article, projection of line on a plane. So here write definition, projection of line on a plane. Means in three-dimensional space, consider a plane and a line, then projection of line on the plane, always a line, because projection of line on the plane is a line. So according by definition, the projection of a line on given plane is the line of intersection of the two planes, namely first is means here from this to this means projection of line on given plane is intersection of two planes. Means you are know already that intersection of two planes always a line. So this line means projection line is the intersection of two planes, in which first plane is given plane. Given plane means you when consider the questions related from this article, given already a plane. So first write the given plane equation, and the second plane through a given line and perpendicular to given plane. According by definition, first intersecting plane is given plane, and second intersecting plane is means second plane is plane through given line in the question also given that a line, and to the given plane. Here this plane is plane first, so in the second point plane through this line and it must be perpendicular to given first plane. So applying to this definition, and I want to contain some questions which are related from this article. So write please question first. In the question first, find the equation of the projection of the line equation is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 and z minus 3 is divided by 4. This line equation is in symmetrical form, so it is represented by here it is question on the plane x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6. So here it is clear that from definition given plane equation is this x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6. So is given plane means first point, and the plane through the given line, here given line is this second point, on the project to the given plane, perpendicular to the given plane. So this in the second point plane is this and straight line is this. In first point plane equation is this. Find the projection of this line on this plane. So according by definition, here I try to process to and I try for solving to this question. Solution is first, given that equation of straight line is x minus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by minus 1, z minus 3 by 4 is first equation. Means in the question given a equation of a straight line which is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by minus 1 is equal to z minus 3 by 4, and also given that given equation of the plane is here in the question given equation of the plane is x plus 2y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0 is represented by second equation. So in the first equation of the straight line which are given in the question, and equation second also given in the question, means equation of plane. Our aim is that find the projection of this line, means projection of first line on the second plane. So according by definition, first point is clear, the equation of given plane. So this is given plane, means first point is complete in the question, because projection of line is an intersection line of two planes. One of them is given plane, means first. Only one to the second plane, second intersecting plane. So in this question only calculate two second intersecting plane. This is first intersecting plane, and calculate two second intersecting plane. So here, so that the planes through the given line and perpendicular to the given plane. Okay. So write a equation of plane which passing through given straight line which already perpendicular to given plane. Applying to this condition, and you can find to the complete equation of the second intersecting plane. Therefore, the equation of the straight line, the equation of the plane which passing through given first line is a times x minus 1 plus b times y plus 1 plus c times z minus 3 is equal to 0 is represented by third plane, where small a, b and c are direction ratios of the normal to the plane third. Means here three unknowns a, b, c taken as direction ratios of the normal to the required plane, means required plane is third, which is passing through given first straight line. If you can calculate to this equation, this intersecting plane, then required equation of the line, means equation of the projection of line, are x plus 2y plus z minus 6 and equation third. Means in the question only calculate to third equation, means second intersecting line which intersecting to with second plane. So write combined equation, means together equation second and equation third, that is called intersecting line, which is projection of the given line. Okay. So equation third and since normal to plane third is perpendicular to given line first. When a plane passing through a line, there are two important points. First, equation of the plane: a times x minus 1 plus b times y plus 1 plus c times z minus 3 means equation of plane must be passing through that point where a straight line is passing. This straight line is passing through the point 1, minus 1 and 3. So this required plane, when plane passing through this line, must be passing from points 1, minus 1 and 3. Therefore, equation of the plane is this. Also, the normal of the plane means plane which passing through first line must be perpendicular to the line, straight line. It is property of line and the plane. So applying to here and write a dash a into 2 plus b into minus 1 plus c into 4 is equal to cos 90 degree is equal to 0 is represented by equation 4th. So in the equation 4th, a condition which are related from three unknowns, small a, b, c. You know that if want to the values of unknowns small a, b, c, there must be exist and such types equation which are related from a, b and c. So according by definition, here from second point, the plane through given line, is plane third and also perpendicular to given plane, means plane third is must be perpendicular to plane second. Therefore, corresponding normals will be also perpendicular to each other. So applying to this condition and here write and plane third is perpendicular to plane second. Plane third is perpendicular to plane second. Therefore, normals of these. So normals, it is also right as so their normals will be perpendicular to each other. Means normal of plane second and normal of plane third will be perpendicular to each other, because according by definition of projection of line on the given plane, plane third must be perpendicular to plane second, means given plane. Okay. Therefore, it is implied that a dot here direction ratio of the normal to the plane third are a, b, c, while direction ratios to the plane second are 1, coefficient of y 2 and coefficient of z 1, means 1 to 1. So a into 1, b into 2 plus c into 1 is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0 is equation 5th. So from equations 4th and 5th, here there are two equations. from related unknowns small abc, and numbers of unknowns are 3, but numbers of equation are only 2. Therefore, solving by cross multiplication rule, a dot 2 plus b dot minus 1, b dot minus 1 plus c dot 4, c dot 4 is equal to 0 is equation 4th, and a dot 1 plus b dot 2 plus c dot 1 is equal to 0 is equation 5th. Solving this, solving above two equations for small abc, for small abc. For small abc, therefore a by, here consider a minus 1 1 is equal to minus 1, and 2 minus 4 minus 8 minus b 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 4 4, and c 2 into 2 4, and minus 1s plus 1. It is represented by a minus 9, b here 2 minus minus 2, and minus 1 is cancelled, b by 2, and c by 5. Putting these proportional value, putting these proportional values of small a, b, c in equation 3rd, then a times 9, then 9 in bracket x minus 1 plus b minus 9 plus 2 times y plus 1 plus c is 5 times z minus 3, z minus 3 is equal to 0. Simplify to this equation, minus 9x plus 9 plus 2y plus 2 plus 5z minus 15 is equal to 0. It is implied that minus 9x plus 2y and 5z plus 9 plus 2 11, minus 15 is equal to minus 4, 11 plus 11 and 15 is equal to 4 minus 4. So write here minus 4 equal to 0. It is implied that 9x minus 2y minus 5z plus 4 is equal to 0 is represented by equation 6. Equation 6. So, according by definition, projection of line on the given plane means projection of line first on the given plane, second is intersecting of two planes, means is a line which developed by intersecting of two planes. First plane equation is plane second, which are given plane, and second plane equation is 9x minus 2y minus 5z plus 4. Okay, therefore here write the equation of projection line of given line first are x plus 2y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0 is equation second, and 9x minus 2y minus 5z plus 4 is equal to 0 is equation 6. These two equations represented a line which is called equation of projection line. So this is complete solution. Answer. So according by definition, question first solving, and one is solved to n plane equation which passing through first line and also perpendicular to given plane. Applying to this method and find to complete solution means equation of second intersecting plane, and after at last write two equation same time. So x plus 2y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0 is given plane equation, and each calculating equation of the plane 9x minus 2y minus 5z plus 4 is equal to 0. This is intersecting line which is called projection line. So complete. Next, consider next question and write to the question second. Write to the question second. Find the projection. Question second. Find the projection. Find the projection of the line 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, comma x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. On the plane 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. In the question, find the projection of the line 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 1, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2 on the plane 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Here question name is find the projection line. So according by definition, projection line is intersection of two planes in which first is given equation of the plane. So here given equation of the plane. Okay. So first point of the definition is complete. Now discuss about second point of the definition of the projection of line on the plane, on the given plane. Here is this is known as given plane. So find an equation which passing through the first line, first intersecting line. This is equation first intersecting line which already given in the question first in symmetrical form, here given in the journal form. So this is first line equation. So first write to the equation of plane which passing through this line, means given line. Okay. So here in the solution, given equation of the line are 3x minus y plus 2z minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to x plus 2y minus z minus 2 is represented by first. This is equation of straight line in the general form. So 3x minus y plus 2z minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to x plus 2y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is first equation means first straight line. So and given equation of given equation of plane of the plane equation is 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0. Same as question first. Equation second is the given plane and equation first is the given line. In here given line in the general form of the line equation, while in the question first given line in the symmetrical form. Therefore, what will be happen? Calculate a plane equation which passing through first given line. Same as here, write to the equation of plane which passing through first straight line. So the equation of the plane which passing through given straight line first. Given straight line first in the general form. So when write the equation of plane which passing through this line, write combined equation of both planes equation means intersecting plane equation. Here first intersecting plane equation is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 1 is equal to 0, and second intersecting plane is x plus 2y minus z is minus 2 is equal to 0. So when write any equation which passing total from this intersecting line, so write combined equation of these two equations means 3x of the equation of plane which passing through given straight line is 3x minus y plus 2z minus 1 plus k times x plus 2y minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. This is combined equation of the given straight line equation first. Okay, it is equation of the plane. It is also called as the equation of the plane which passing through the given straight line first. After simplification to this line, 3 plus k times x minus 1 plus 2k times y minus 1 plus 2k times y plus 2 plus minus 1 k multiplied with z is equal to minus k, and here z is 2. So 2 minus k times z plus in the bracket write minus 1 minus 2k is equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 2k minus 1 minus 2k is equal to 0 is represented by equation third. So equation third is the plane which passing through the given straight line, while equation of the given straight line are in general form. So, but according by question, plane third is perpendicular to the given plane second, second. Therefore, their normals will be perpendicular to each other. According by question, plane which passing through given first line must be perpendicular to the given second plane. Here equation of the second plane. Therefore, normals of these two planes also perpendicular to each other. Applying to this condition and write n condition cos theta is equal to by cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. It is implied that here theta is 90 degree because normals intersecting to each other at 90 degree means perpendicular. So write cos 90 is equal to L1 L2 M1 N2 N1 N2 are the direction cosines, but here only present to direction ratios means proportional values putting of the corresponding small a b c. So here this is taken a1 b1 c1 and coefficient of x a2, coefficient of y b2, coefficient of z is c2. One time again revise to this. In the equation second, coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1, coefficient of z is c1. So a1 is 3, b1 is 2 and c1 is 1 means 3 a1 b1 is 2 plus c1 is 1 into a2 is 3 plus 4, write 3 plus k and coefficient of y is b2 is minus 1 plus 2k plus c2 and c1 is 1 and c2 is 2 minus k, write 2 minus k is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0, you know that. So 0 is equal to 3 plus 3k means 9 plus 3k and minus 2 plus 4k plus 2 minus k. It is implied that 3k 4k minus k 3 and 4 7 minus 1 6k and 9 2 and 2 cancels from each other minus 2 and plus 2. So only 9 is remain plus 9 is equal to 0. It is implied that k is equal to minus 9 by 6 means 3 by 2. It is implied that k is equal to minus 3 by 2. This value of k, if putting in equation third, then equation of the second intersecting plane will be complete. So putting k is equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation third. Then 3 plus here k is equal to minus 3 by 2. So write minus 3 by 2 times x plus minus 1 and 2 and 2 cancel from each other, only is remain minus 3 times y plus 2 minus k minus plus 2 plus 3 by 2 times z plus minus 1 and minus plus and 2 cancelled from each other. So 1 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. Simplify to this is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3x and minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4 minus 8 y plus this is equal to 4 plus 3 7 z and minus 3 is equal to plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 0. Here taken 2 in LCM and transfer to right hand side and multiply with 0 is equal to 0. So in LHS side remain is 3x minus 8y plus 7z plus 8 is equal to 0. It represented by equation third or fourth equation fourth. So projection of the given line means line first on the given plane means plane second. Projection of this line on this plane is intersecting line which are represented by equation second and equation fourth. So if intersecting of this and this line, then you can call that line is projection of the given line on the given plane means plane second. So equation of projection line on equation of projection line on given plane is a line is a intersecting line which passing through is a intersecting line of following planes. Means plane second and plane fourth. 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 0 is plane second, and plane fourth is 3x minus 8y plus 7z plus 8 is equal to 0 is equation represented by fourth equation. So equation second and fourth are the equation of intersecting line which is called projection of the given line on the given plane. So solution is complete. Right to the question third. In the question third, find the equation of the perpendicular from the origin to the line. Find the equation of the perpendicular from the origin, capital O means origin, to the line. Line equation is x minus 2 by 1 y plus 3 by minus 2 and z by 1. Find also the coordinate of intersecting foot of the perpendicular. In this question, find the equation of perpendicular from point 2 means point origin to the given line x minus 1 by 1 y x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y plus 3 by minus 2 is equal to z by 1. Also calculate the coordinate of the foot of perpendicular. So write in the solution. Given that given equation of line is x minus 2 by 1 y plus 3 by minus 2 and z by 1 is represented by first. So first is the given equation of the line, and given point is origin. First draw a figure. Suppose that is line first, and suppose that is point origin whose coordinates are 0 0 0. So this is first line. Since line first is passing through a point whose coordinates are 2, minus 3 and 0. So suppose that point here, point A, and its coordinates are 2, minus 3 and 0. And direction ratios of these lines are A1 minus 2 1. Now according by question, draw a perpendicular line from the origin to the given line. So here draw a perpendicular line from the origin to the given line. Suppose that meeting point is capital P. From figure it is clear that P has some distance from point capital A. Suppose this distance is capital R. So distance AP is equal to R on the given straight line, and draw a perpendicular from the origin capital O to the given line, and meeting point is capital P. Then calculate here question calculate two part. Okay, question has two part of the question. In first part calculate the perpendicular line equation, means perpendicular line OP equation, and in the second part calculate to the coordinates of intersecting point capital P, means foot of the perpendicular. Here P is known as foot of the perpendicular from origin to the given line. For this, and write from the equation first. X minus 2 by 1 y plus 3 by minus 2 and z minus 0 by 1 is equal to capital R. You know that about this equation in the straight line questions. If you want to a point on the given straight line, then write given straight line in this form. Here required point is capital R distance from the given point on the straight line. So here capital R is distance AP, where capital R is equal to distance AP. Solving this ratio, taking first and last, second and last, third and last, then coordinates of intersecting point intersecting point, capital P. Here capital P is also called foot of perpendicular point on the given line from the given point. So it is after then write to foot of perpendicular. Coordinate of P are 1 r plus 2 minus 2 r minus 3 and r plus 0 means plus 0. These are coordinates of intersecting point means foot of perpendicular point. So foot of perpendicular point coordinates are in unknown capital R. Find first to the value of r by using to some required conditions. Here condition is line OP is perpendicular to the line means to the given line first. So but given direction ratio of the given line is clear 1 minus 2 minus 1 and calculate the direction ratio of perpendicular line OP. Direction ratio of perpendicular line OP or position of P means r plus 2 minus 0, position of O, first coordinate of O means origin is 0 and first coordinate of P r plus 2. So r plus 2 minus 0, minus 2r minus 3 minus 0 and r minus 0 is the direction ratios of line OP. So r plus 2 minus 0 minus 2 r minus 3 minus 0 and r plus 0 means r minus 0 is the direction ratios of perpendicular line OP. After simplification, direction ratios of perpendicular line OP are r plus 2 minus 2r minus 3 and r. From figure it is clear that line OP is perpendicular to the given straight line first. Therefore, you can apply to the formula cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2, which is related from angle between two lines. So here using to that formula and write and direction ratios of given line first are 1 minus 2 1, but line OP is perpendicular to given line first, then by formula cos theta is equal to L1 L2 M1 M2 plus N1 N2. Here L, M, N are the direction cosines, but r plus 2 minus 2 r minus 3 r are the direction cosine direction ratio are proportional to each other. Here using two direction ratios and cos theta is equal to 90 degree. So is equal to cos 90 direction ratio of L1 r plus 2 into 1 plus minus 2r minus 3 into minus 3 minus 2 plus minus 2r minus 3 into minus 2 and r into 1. Here cos 90 is equal to 0 and 0 is equal to r plus 2 and minus taken minus outside from the bracket minus plus. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4r, 2 is equal to 2, 4r plus 6 plus r. It is implied that r plus 4r plus r is equal to 6r. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 0. It is implied that r is equal to minus 8 by 6 after simplify to this fraction is equal to 4 and 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. So r is equal to minus 4 by 3. R is equal to minus 4 by 3. Putting this value of r in the coordinates of p, then coordinates of p is clear, means foot of perpendicular coordinates are clear. So putting this value of r, then coordinates of foot of perpendicular point capital P are coordinate of point capital P here are r plus 2, r plus 2, minus 2r, minus 2r, minus 3, minus 2r, minus 3, at last r. These are coordinates of foot of perpendicular from point O to straight line OP, and meeting point is P, therefore P is called foot of perpendicular. Putting the value of r, here r is equal to minus 4 by 3. So minus 4 by 3 plus 2, minus 4 by 3 plus 2, and minus 2r plus 4, and 3 and 3 cancel from each other, and minus 4 by 3. Simplify, okay, 1 minute. Minus plus into 4 by 3 minus 3 implies that minus 4 plus 6 by 2 and 8 minus 9 by 3 and 4 by 3. Here write 3. It is implied that minus 6 and 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. The coordinates of point P. So coordinates of foot of perpendicular is clear, which are 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3 and 4 by 3. Now calculate the equation of perpendicular line, means OP. Equation of perpendicular line OP is x minus 0 by 2 by 3, y minus 0 by minus 1 by 3, and z minus 0 by 4 by 3. It is right as x by 2, y by minus 1, and z by 4. Is complete solution of the question. Okay, thanks for watching today discussed, and please study at the home, and all questions solve himself without teaching and this solution, and also taken some questions from the book.